Hello guys, my name is Shani SK, SAP FICO and S4HANA Finance Trainer. Today I would like to share you the basic information regarding foreign payments through automated payment program. This is a scenario based question. If you are completely new to this channel or watching my videos first time, please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon. So let's understand this concept in very detail. See, I have 4 invoices. So 2 invoices is related to Indian currency and 2 invoices related to foreign currency. So foreign currency is USD. Now total I have 4 invoices. I need to clear through automated payment program. How we can do this? So let's look at the screen. So just go to SAP screen and just type down FB60. So FB60 for vendor invoice. I need to create 4 invoices. So vendor 7608. So one amount is 9,000. It's not in INR, it's a USD. Okay. And you can take text. So GL account is raw material. And amount you can put star. Text you can give something over here. Okay. Now I have given all these inputs. So actually this is company code is CHAN. Company code is related to Indian company code. And but I need to post the invoice in USD. Okay, foreign currency, just simulate. So amount is showing as a $9,000. It's a different one, $9 lakh. Okay, $9 lakh I am posting right now. USD currency is a USD, and just post. So document 360 was posted. This is in USD. Now just go to and post with reference. So give the document number, enter, wait few seconds. So again I am posting second invoice with USD currency. Okay, so I posted 2 invoices right now. 2 invoices I posted with USD currency. Again I will post 2 invoices with the same INR currency, not USD. So give anything, and amount is 8,000. It's in INR. Okay, text. So wait, star. So take a text. Now just simulate this document. So 8,000 raw material account debit and another account is credit. Okay, same, but it is an INR currency. So post it. So I posted 3 documents. I need to post one more document. Go to more. Go to post with reference. Give enter. So again I am posting one more document. So totally I posted 4 documents. Just go to FDL1N. Execute. So these 2 documents is an INR, but this one is posted with USD. So system is automatically converted to INR. So this amount is huge. Okay, this is a USD related invoice. These 2 are USD related invoices, and these 2 are INR related. But system is converted to INR. Now just go to FBL1L. Sorry, just go to F110. So give the run date, identification you can take different one. Go to parameters. So give the details. So give your company code. The payment method we is check. And next posting date I have taken this one. Vendor 7608. Additional log. Select any 2 or 3. 7608 status. What is this? So you need to select only 2 over here. Go to status, save. Okay. Now go to proposal, start immediate, schedule. Okay. Now check. So we are getting error message right now, and check it out. What is that error? Edit proposal, enter, double click. So 2 invoices is related to INR currency and 2 invoices related to USD. So amount is 8,000 local currency, and this one is more because we have posted invoice with USD. That is the reason system giving more amount. So it is calculated with 70 rupees. 9 lakhs into 70 rupees system is calculated. So 9 lakhs or 9,000. So I need to post these 4 invoices, but I am getting error. I need to check what is the error. So payment methods are not assigned. Just go to reallocate. So give the payment method B and house banks. One minute. Select this, go to reallocation, select this, V, house bank, select, enter, and I need to select this one. Reallocate, select. Now just save it. Because I haven't given vendor payment method details in vendor master and invoice level. That is the reason we just reallocated. And see here 2 invoices related to USD and 2 invoices related to INR. Now I need to clear through automatic payment program. Just go back. Oh, sorry. And payment run. Start immediate. System is very slow today. And schedule. So it's cleared. Okay. We just go to FBL1 here. Give vendor account details. Execute. You won't find any open item. That means we cleared. So the clearing items we can check here. On today's date, select cleared items and execute. So these are all invoices I cleared through automatic payment program. So today's date. Okay. So there is no open item right now and due item. That is the reason you can select this open item on today's date. There is no open item. That means we have cleared through automatic payment program both foreign invoices and vendor invoices. So thank you very much for your support. This is Shyam SK signing off.